Look around. The trees, the river, the air, the mountains, the oceans. Would it be wonderful to live in a world full of life, with vast forests providing us with clean air, home for thousands of animals, clean ocean and rivers, and human and animals coexisting peacefully? However, humanity is currently facing global crisis as a result of climate change. Ice caps are melting and sea levels are rising. Unpredictable weather patterns, including stronger hurricanes and cyclones. Decreasing harvest productivity, consumer goods price will rise, resulting in more poverty, and at the current rate, humanity may become extinct. But in my opinion, it's not too late to start making changes. When we work together, we can be the change that humanity needs.